Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily update Microsoft Edge to the latest version. Keeping your browser up to date is essential for better performance, security, and access to the latest features. Let's dive in and get started. To update Microsoft Edge, open the browser and click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Help and Feedback, and then click About Microsoft Edge. The browser will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading and installing. Once it's done, restart the browser to apply the changes. This process ensures you're always using the most secure and feature-packed version of Microsoft Edge. And that's it. Updating Microsoft Edge is quick and easy. Make sure to check for updates regularly to enjoy the latest features and keep your browsing experience secure. Thanks for watching.